Welcome to Yeeflow's product updates for January 2024. We're kicking off the year with some exciting new features designed to enhance your experience and streamline your applications. Let's dive right in. First up, we've introduced a brand new field type in our data list component, the Autonumber field. This innovative feature is designed to make your data management seamless and more efficient. Creating an Autonumber field is simple. Open a data list in your application and click the New Column button. From the Field Type drop-down list, select the Autonumber option. With the Autonumber field, you can set prefixes, suffixes, the minimum number of digits, and the starting number. For example, setting the minimum number as 3 and the starting number as 200 means your records will automatically generate numbers, starting from 200, continuing sequentially. You can also add static or dynamic characters as prefixes and suffixes using the expression editor. Once you've set your properties, simply hit the Save button and voila! Your data list will now automatically generate unique, sequential numbers for each record. Existing records aren't left out. They're automatically updated to follow the new Autonumber rule, and for every new item created, the Autonumber field ensures a unique sequential number is generated. Next, we've enhanced the Workflow History Information panel for data lists. If you're using list workflows, you'll love this update. Now, when a workflow is triggered, you can access even more detailed information from the List Items detail page. This includes the workflow ID, start date, and current status. These updates make tracking and managing your workflows easier than ever, providing you with all the information you need at a glance. Moving on to our next big update for January 2024. We've supercharged the user management capabilities within the service portal. Let's take a closer look at these powerful enhancements. Accessing the user management function from the service portal settings page. Now click on the New User button. You'll find Invite Users and Import Users options from the drop-down menu. Click Invite Users to open the pop-up window. You can invite up to 10 users simultaneously from here. Just enter their email addresses, and you're good to go. For bulk operations, you can use the Import Users feature. Select Import Users, and a window pops up, guiding you to start the import process. Simply choose an Excel file from your computer containing user information. Next, map the Excel columns to portal user properties. Importing initial login passwords for new users is also an option. Just select the appropriate column for passwords. Meanwhile, Yeeflow now offers an equally efficient way to manage your user data outwardly with our new Export Users function. Under More Settings, simply select Export to begin the process. Just click on the Start Export button. You have the flexibility to choose which fields you need to be exported. This ensures that your exported data is precisely tailored to your requirements. But that's not all. Customizing your user management further is now possible. Click More Settings, then Fields to add custom fields tailored to your needs. Enhance your user forms by clicking Forms. Here you can edit the default User Info form or create a new custom list form. The Form Designer allows you to change styles, add custom fields, and implement logics as needed. With these enhancements, managing your service portal users is more flexible and efficient than ever. In our continuous effort to enhance Yeeflow's flexibility and user interaction, we're thrilled to introduce a series of new dynamic controls in this month's update. Let's explore these innovations. First on our list are the dynamic controls, including Dynamic Field, Dynamic User, Dynamic Image, and Dynamic File. Designed to be used within a collection control, these dynamic controls allow you to easily display various field values. Imagine having a collection control linked to your tasks data list. With the Dynamic Field control, you can display values like title, start, and end dates with ease. The Dynamic User control is used to show the value of a user type field. You can choose to display users' profile images, username, and additional information. The Dynamic File control connects to any attachment type field, displaying one or multiple files based on each record. Users can view these files online or download them as needed. Not stopping there, we've also enhanced the icon control, introducing the dynamic icon, a new feature that revolutionizes how icons are displayed based on custom conditions. For example, you can now set a flag icon to display when a task's priority is high. Further customization is possible by applying dynamic style rules, like changing the icon's color to red for high-priority tasks, visually distinguishing high-priority tasks with a striking red flag icon, while others maintain the default icon. The next great update is about the button control. New options now available in the action settings. When adding a button control to your design, you'll notice two new options in the Execute Type drop-down list: Add List Item and Open Dashboard. With Add List Item option, you can configure the button to open a new item window for a selected data list. You can set default values for fields, pass query parameters to the new item's form, and even choose which form to use for adding a new item. Whether it's the default layout or a custom form, you have the control. Imagine clicking a New Task button and having the task form pop up, ready for you to create a new task. It's simplicity and efficiency at its best. The Open Dashboard option opens another door to functionality. With a single click, you can navigate to a dashboard page, show as a pop-up window or a full page, depending on your preference. Furthermore, the ability to pass query parameters to the target dashboard page enhances your data interaction, making your dashboards even more dynamic and tailored to your needs. When adding a button control to a collection, new avenues of interaction open up. Among these, the Collect Item option reveals powerful new functionalities. Under Operation, two new options stand out: Update Fields and Start Workflow. These additions empower you to manipulate data and workflows with unprecedented ease. Update Fields allows for on-the-fly adjustments to field values of the current item. Imagine adding a button to your tasks list collection to mark a task as completed with a single click. This feature is invaluable for facilitating quick responses across multiple records. With Start Workflow, you can manually initiate a list workflow for the selected data list directly from a button click. This capability brings manual workflow control to your fingertips, streamlining your process management. The innovation doesn't end with collection controls. When you add a button to a custom list form, Current List Item emerges as a choice from the Execute Type drop-down list, unlocking even more possibilities. Here too, the Update Fields and Start Workflow options are available, allowing you to modify field values or trigger workflows for the current list item. This integration enhances form functionality, enabling dynamic actions based on user interaction. Our final highlight in this month's product updates brings an exciting enhancement to the Gantt control. Yeeflow now offers unprecedented customization capabilities, allowing you to tailor every aspect of your Gantt charts to your exact preferences. Under the Content tab, a new setting is provided: Task Name on Timeline. This innovative feature gives you the flexibility to display the task name on the left, inner, or right of the timeline, ensuring optimal visibility and alignment with your project's needs. You can find the Style tab is now available for Gantt control. From the Data Table group, you can personalize the left part of your Gantt chart, change the style of the header and columns to match your branding or application theme, ensuring a consistent and visually appealing presentation. In the Timeline group, tailor the right part of your Gantt chart with ease. Modify the color of the timeline, text, and background to differentiate tasks, stages, and milestones, making your chart not only informative but also engaging. We're excited for you to explore these new features and see how they can transform your creation experience. Thank you for joining us for this month's product updates. Your feedback is invaluable. See you next month for more innovations and enhancements.